In this video, we're going to look at the sine rule for calculating angles. So what we do, we write the sine rule like this. We write it as sine capital A over little a. Notice that the angle will always be opposite the length, is equal to sine B over little b. So in our case, C is the angle we want. So we're going to write sine C over the length that's directly opposite C, which is going to be 7 centimeters, is equal to sine 40 over the length that's directly opposite, which is going to be 6. So now we're going to cross multiply and say sine C equals to 7 times sine 40 over 6. So that will give me sine C. Let's get a calculator. So we're going to type in exactly what's there. 7 times sine of 40 divided by 6, which is going to give me 0.749, and so on. So what we need to remember is it's an angle, so we've got to do C equals sine inverse of 0.749, and so on. And then on our calculator, you can just press shift, sine, press the answer key, and that will give me 48.6 to 1 decimal place. So we get 48.6 degrees to 1 decimal place. And that's it. Here's a question for you to try. Pause the video, and when you're done, I'll go through my work solution. Okay, welcome back. So we're going to say that sine B over the side that's directly opposite, which is 6, equals the other angle, which is going to be sine of 58 degrees over the other length, which is 7, which is directly opposite 58 degrees. Now that here we're going to cross multiply, so that will give us sine B equals 6 times sine 58 degrees over 7. So we can say that sine B, get a calculator, press the fraction button, 6 times sine 58, like so, press down, we get 7, and that will give me 0.7268, 726, and so on. We want to find B, so remember we have to do sine inverse on our calculator. So we get our calculator, and we can just press shift, sine, the answer in our case, and that will give me 46.6 degrees. So 46.6 degrees, and we just say to 1 decimal place.